So welcome you all guys to debugging doubts. In the previous video, I have shown how to use GitHub using some animations. If you haven't watched my video, then please click on the above link and please watch that video. Now let us use that in real world applications. So first thing you go to Google, then type git hub. You can go to any browsing tabs. Okay. And here you get the first link, that is github.com, and you click on that, and here it asks for sign up if you are a new customer. So first thing is you need to do sign up. If you have account already, then do sign in. Okay. I will show my account where I have already done the sign in. Okay. So you get this kind of dashboard. Whenever you get any kind of confusions like where to navigate and something else, then just you can go to your profile and click on profile, and it takes you to the profile, and you can see the contributions made. So contribution is basically what all changes you made to your file. That's it says, see, you can see on 3rd September I have done 3 contributions, means I modified the file 3 times or something. So it shows that. And now first thing I'll tell you how to create a file. For that, you need to go to create new, and here you get new repository. Repository is just basically a file in the GitHub. Now it asks you repository name. You can give anything, right? So I'll write git local or git hub trial, GitHub trial for YouTube. Okay, this is my file name. I'm giving just a big name. Okay, sorry for that, but now I read the description. So what I will write? I'll write this repository is made to teach in YouTube. Okay, sorry, YouTube. Okay, so this is what description I have given. So you can give anything else, and you can scroll on and you can see the public, right, visibility. So anybody in the GitHub can view your account. Like if my friend wants to click on the link, you can watch my account too. So I can make it as private also. So better every time we keep it as public. Now readme. So readme is a file which shows like it is like a notice board, you can say. In the notice board you put only the highlighted ones, right? So that way you can put anything in the readme file. So as I'm making an empty repository, I'll fill it by using first one single file. Okay. So I will activate it. Then other things not required currently. Now I click repository. And here you get a basic tab, okay, your repository. So you can see in this GitHub trial for YouTube I made a repository, right? So you can see readme, and you can see what all is written inside. You can see this repository is made to teach in YouTube, and I have made one commit. What is the commit? It will take a screenshot, not a screenshot, but it will have track of what I have done. So let's see what are commits. You can see initial commit, because I created a new file, that is also a commit. Now come back. Now I need to add some files. Okay. So how I will do? There are two ways. One is using push command. Another one is using this one, add file. So directly you can drag the files from your repository to your account. So I will show upload files. Then go to your file browser. Go to your file browser and click on anything else, and you can drag it here. Okay. And it has been done. Now I need to write changes. What did I do now? I'll just give simply I have added a PNG image. Okay, so I'm giving I have added a PNG image. Then I write commit changes. It will take for a while, but as it is a small file, it will be done in. Now you can see there are two commits. Okay, if you click on the commit, you can see there is an initial commit, and one more is a I have added a PNG image. So come back and you can go using this link. You can watch what you have added. See GitHub. So this way you can watch all the things. Come back, and suppose I need to add one more file. So I'll write my file name as something index.html, and here I write t, then hi, hello, something I'll write, okay. And I may commit changes. And it asks me what commit I have done. I'll write I have added okay, index.html. So I have added index.html. This is what I written. Then I write commit changes. And you can see in the repository, it is given that index.html, right? So this is how you can see that. So this is what you can do in the GitHub, which is stored in the remote repository. Now I will show how to do it in the local repository. For that thing, you need to go to Git. Okay, in the Google or any browser, you just type Git and you will get a platform, right? So go to this one, first one, and here you can see download button for Windows or Mac or anything. So if you are using Windows, you can go for Windows or Mac, anything else. Now also you need to download VS Code. The software is very helpful. If you haven't downloaded the VS Code, download it from Microsoft Store, or you can download from the any browser also. So first thing, after downloading Git, you can see this Git bash, right? So just type git dash dash version. So this will help you check whether you have Git version properly downloaded or not. So how you will come to know? You can see the version number. It has sent you the version number. So your Git is working properly. Now I will close this tab and go to VS Code. So here I need to use it properly. So first thing, I will open a folder. For that purpose, store a empty folder in some local directory and open from there. So first thing, go to file, then you can see open folder. Click on that. After going to your folder, just click on the folder which you want to open. So I'm opening this. Okay, I created a Git folder. Select folder, and it will lead you here. So first thing I needed to do is I will create a new folder and name it as the same repository name. So create a new folder and write it as, what was that? GitHub for YouTube, right? GitHub trial for YouTube. Okay. And inside this folder I need to go. So for that purpose, what I will do is, you can have many commands. First one is ls command. So ls command will list all the files present in this folder. So we are in the git folder, right? So if I write, you can see when it is modified, and you can see all the details. So I created this file in this time. So you can see all the things. Now I need to go to GitHub trial for YouTube. For that purpose, I write cd, then GitHub trial. See, file name. Okay. Okay. After giving the GitHub trial for YouTube, you can see I am in this folder. Now, if I type ls, you can see it is not giving nothing. We have not created any folder inside this, right? So now what I will do, to copy all the things from that folder to your folder, first thing I will initialize by saying that with what account I'm using. So for that I will write git config. So I need to do configuration dash dash global, then write the user name dot name, and then write the username. So I'll write my name, okay, and hit enter. And now you need to update the email too. So user email, and here give your email address. And now you, to check whether it has been done properly or not, you need to write git config dash dash list, and you can see all the details, and you need to press enter, and you can see username is my name, and user email also is mine, and you can hit enter, and once it gets end, press Q if you are in the Windows. Okay, so this is how you can set all the details. So this was all for today, and if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it, and I will come with more videos in the coming part. Please watch my next part too. Thank you all guys for watching.